What's going on, folks? Handyman Chad here. Hey, I had my neighbor come to me and ask me. He's like, listen, I have an old door. I personally did a job for somebody and got rid of a bunch of old garbage. So there was a door that I kept. I did at my house next door, and but I had it on the lawn or whatever, and I was gonna fix it up, and then my neighbor noticed it. I said, hey. It's like a deal. No, I'm just kidding. I gave it to him. I said, you can have it. So he asked me if I would put it in. Well, his house is a beautiful house. Older house, for sure. Definitely older. But right here in the nice development, right? Nice neighborhood in Winooski, Vermont. So, development, what was I thinking, right? So anyway, the bottom line is this. So he's like, can you put it in? I'm like, sure. So his door from before definitely wasn't level. Nothing was level about it at all. Now I'm going to show you. I have posted pictures of the door before, and it's still in rough. I'm still in the process of it, by the way. It's not done, but I want to show you the progress. First and foremost, this is the old door. This is just a wooden door. As you can see, I'm 6 foot tall. See the door? It's not that big. Oh yeah, it was tough. So on this side, you can see I've got the door in. Now the glass, we're gonna get the new glass from Acme or somewhere, but out on the outside, this is what it looks like. And I have some before, and again, I'm not done. And when I'm done, it's gonna be unbelievable. All this is gonna be done. I'm gonna put all this back. Everything's gonna be painted. The new window's gonna be put in. I had to make some adjustments. He had a spotlight here. I had to move it. I'm gonna actually move it up here. His mailbox is here, so it's actually down there. So we got some modifications to do here. But once we are done, another job well done. If you need this done to your, and by the way, before I go on to say what I was gonna say, this is a good prime example for everybody to know that you don't always have to get brand new stuff. You can get used stuff, refurbished, down at Recycle North, or not Recycle North, Resource. All these lumber yards, you know, you can get the used stuff. Anyway, the bottom line is this. Go to a garage sale even. Get a used door. Call me. Get your free estimate. And then you can take something, and I'm going to show you. I'm not done yet, but when this is done, you guys are going to look at it and be like, oh my God, it looks like a brand new door. Oh yeah. www.handymanchadvt.com, and I'm looking forward to you getting a hold of me for that next handyman job later.